Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Sorry for the flyaway hair, but then again, when is my hair not fly away in these videos? Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to mark your red card as lost. Snow. So what is your red card? Your red card is that card you get with the Doordash hot bag, some sanitizer, and I believe a Doordash mask. You get it to essentially pay for meals or pay at restaurants or at stores when the customer hasn't paid already. So when you lose your red card, you definitely want to mark it as lost as soon as you can. That way somebody isn't making purchases or trying to make purchases on your red card. You don't want to be dealing with all that. Now, it's a relatively simple process, and I have done a video on that before, but it was a short video. It was like 32 seconds, and some people like the more follow along in-depth description of it. So today I'm going to be trying to do that for you guys. Now, I have a screen recording. We'll go ahead and paste it on that deodorant right there. I don't even know why that's there. But yeah, we'll go ahead and paste it over here and show you the step-by-step of how to cancel or how to mark your red card as lost. What you want to go do is go to the top left corner where the three lines are right next to that dash. You want to press on that. What you want to do next is hit the second option below accounts, which is the red card, and then it'll bring up your red card information, your red card number, your last four digits of your red card, which I'm going to cover up because I don't want that information out there. But hit that option that says mark as lost. It'll go ahead and ask you to confirm if you've actually lost it. If you have, go ahead and confirm that. I'm not going to because I have not. But yeah, mark it as lost. It's as simple and as easy as that. And hopefully you guys could get another one sent over and cancel this card. But anyways, guys, hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post these types of videos. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.